Are you a stressed business owner, healthcare professional, or provider for your family that is now dealing with heart irregularities, blood pressure spikes, and even full-blown anxiety attacks? My name is Dr. Kareem El-Sharif, and as an interventional cardiologist, I've spent the last 20 years in the operating room treating patients. I specialize in helping people just like you, and over the next few minutes, I'll show you how we've created a brand new approach to relieving the chronic stress that is damaging your heart and causing your health worries. You'll see exactly how this approach worked for Ralph, a stockbroker from New York who researched over 50 health programs before finally getting results from Salus and being free from the pain he felt daily. Or how it worked for Anita, a professional and personal caregiver who put others first for years, but after reducing her stress and anxiety by 90%, was able to stop taking blood pressure meds in a matter of weeks. Over the years, I've had thousands of patients come in with both physical symptoms and this intense worry over their heart, despite a lot of their lab work, stress tests, and even echoes showing up normal. This is sometimes referred to as cardiophobia and is commonly written off as just anxiety. But I could see it affected their lives daily, and I could feel their frustration. It was only after I became director of a cardiac wellness center and got to understand hundreds of patients on a more personal level did I realize there was actually a pattern to what was going on. You see, if you've been dealing with the stress of your job, family, or business for years, you may have been accustomed to just accepting it as part of life. But what really was going on is chronically elevated cortisol levels were quietly wreaking havoc on your heart and body. Beyond the direct damage to your heart, it also started a cycle of more worry, leading to more stress, leading to even worse health effects. And sure, you may have noticed some signals in the form of being prescribed a blood pressure med or gaining a few pounds. But now the alarms have become growing louder, and the heart palpitations, chest pains, and panic attacks are your body's way of telling you that everything is not okay. The fears of one day being a burden on your family or even over your own mortality become louder and louder. Luckily, there's an answer to this. Some may tell you it's just in your head and you need to see a therapist or take some anxiety meds. But that's like trying to fix a strange car noise by turning up the radio, completely skipping over the physical things going wrong in your body. What's really needed is a holistic approach that addresses both physical and mental factors. Something that balances your hormone levels and can truly align the brain, the heart, and the body. We've developed a stress-free, effective, and sustainable approach that addresses this from all angles, finally getting to the root causes and allowing you to get back to a life of peace and freedom. So if that's all you need to hear and you want to speak with myself or one of my team members, book a call below and we'll show you exactly how this works. Now, if you want to know why this works so well, then let me give you the rundown. The first part of how we achieve this is through a functional approach to stress. This is where we directly work on balancing your sky-high cortisol levels to finally take you out of a state of fight or flight and give you some of that much-needed energy back. This is what started the vicious cycle, and addressing this first makes everything else so much easier. Then we take a holistic, team-based approach where 5 different multidisciplinary experts will teach you the specific techniques, methods, and habits that will get you to the underlying causes of both your anxiety and symptoms. Lastly, we ensure you can navigate health for life by building this into a lifestyle routine that you love and one that allows you to break past brain associations or habits you may have had for years. So if you've made it this far in the video, I assume you finally want to be free from this constant worry over your heart, to be able to travel, exercise, and spend time with loved ones without the looming fear of something happening. If you are tired of the daily mental battle, I'd encourage you to click the schedule call button below to book a session with myself or one of my team members. During this session, you will be able to speak with an expert who can understand your situation, provide you with the advice specific to you, and walk you through exactly how our approach works. Thank you for taking the first step by watching this video. We look forward to helping you feel like yourself again.